Today is National Sticky Toffee Pudding Day, if you can believe it. So I am here in Glendale, California at Tam O'Shanter's, which has been here since 1922. It used to be the favorite place of Walt Disney when he was still alive. But since then, people have still been flocking here for their prime rib, which is what they're really famous for. However, they're supposed to have one of the best sticky toffee puddings in LA, so we're gonna go find out. If you're looking for a little fantasy, a bit of whimsy, and a lot of history, Tam O'Shanter is a great place to go. If you can believe it, the original restaurant was much more fanciful in appearance and was known as Montgomery's Country Inn. But it's still owned and operated by the same proprietors. A modern outdoor dining area leads to the entrance. However, step inside and you're immediately transported in time. The walls are packed with photographs going back all the way to the beginning. There's even a chronology in the lounge if you're curious about specifics. The Tam remained a favorite of Walt Disney when his original studio was located nearby. Walt's favorite table? Number 31, still in the same spot. In fact, the restaurant was so popular with his employees, it was referred to lovingly as the Disney Studio Commissary. For the keen eye, Walt and Mickey can be found throughout the restaurant. The bar area makes you feel like you're in an old pub, and in many ways you are, just it's in the middle of LA. Stained glass windows let in low light, where patrons can admire its famous wall of scotch. Ask the bartender for a rare brand and they've probably got it. There's several dining rooms at the Tam, which you'll see in a bit, but I decided to sit in the pub section. And yes, the Tam and Lowry's Prime Rib are sister restaurants.
Is this place cool or is this place cool? I mean, it's really old school and it's old, which I kind of like, you know, especially in LA where everything is reinventing itself. This place has been around for 100 years as of 2022. Really, really charming, got lots of personality. You gotta check this place out. But we're here on a job, and that is the Sticky Toffee Pudding. That is not sticky toffee pudding. They actually didn't have it today. So, instead, here's a picture of Tam O'Shanter's Sticky Toffee Pudding. I'm sorry it's not a scratch and sniff picture. I do not have it with me to lick and see how that would taste. I'm sure it's very good. But instead, I'm gonna have a roast pork sandwich. Tam O'Shanter.
The main dining room is like a grand Tudor hall, replete with crests hanging from the walls and a huge iron chandelier. Another dining room hosts more tables against the backdrop of a large fireplace and a room that can be rented for large parties. Everywhere you look, there's a nod to Scotland. Framed images of Scotsmen and family tartans to a map of malt whiskies for your next trip. He seems to have read the list a few times. And of course, another nod to the everlasting bond between Disney, Mickey, and the Tam.